Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat logging me out problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Snapchat and update your Snapchat application. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go into the settings and then you need to go into the app management and go into the app list, and here you need to search for Snapchat, and then you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you complete all that step, you simply need to turn off your smartphone and turn on again and log in your Snapchat account, and after that you can see I'm using Snapchat but it is not logging me out. So by following these steps you can easily solve Snapchat logging me out problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.